thought you were gonna go. What's up, y'all? Welcome to our apartment tour, 2018 style.
That's right. Ash and I have officially been living together for 6 whole months come yesterday, so we figured in order to, you know, celebrate this occasion, we'll do a little tiny little apartment tour.
Let's get this party started. Alright guys, so first and foremost, as you can see, we live up this big flight of stairs, and we chose to live on the second floor. We had the option of living on the first floor, but it was $50 cheaper to live on the second floor. I'm all about that budget action.
Little stairs never hurt no one.
Except when you're hauling up groceries and lots of groceries and it hurts.
Large appliances, you know, whatever.
Okay, so when you enter upstairs, we got our guest, like, closet, I guess, doors. I'm not gonna show you what's in here because you're gonna think I'm a hoarder, and it's disgusting, and it's awful.
It's literally every single decoration for every single holiday crammed where coats should be.
Everything that doesn't have a place of its own goes in here. I got my handy dandy ladder rack right here. It's like a bookshelf ladder rack. I don't know, it's very in style now, and I just decided to pick one up because we have these like knickknacks everywhere that I didn't know where to put. There's not enough space. Like my little Buddha statue, like all those little things, you know, where you just don't know where to put them.
Here she is climbing up the Grand Canyon.
Yeah, so we got a couple little travel photos, but you'll see more throughout the video. We got some of those.
These are our styles. What's up with that though?
Just a little bit of stuff going on here. Alright y'all, so this is our living room / dining room area. This apartment is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and it didn't really come with like a designated dining area. In fact, everything's just carpet, except for the kitchen. But yeah, so we kind of made this kind of fit the best, because we have like this little corner breakfast nook. If we had a regular table, it would just take up way too much space. But we went with the all-white theme because I love that like Scandinavian white, simple, like minimalist look. I don't know, that's just my look. We got these sheer curtains going on. Ah,
You look like the ghost that I think haunts this place.
right? Though, so we got, yeah, these are actually like white Christmas lights. So over here we got this painting. Show them the painting. It's got the gold foil accents in it. I love the gold foil accents. It's my thing right here. It's very, very like calming, you know? I like calming pieces.
Ash and I moved 2 hours away from where we're originally from to a small little farm town so we can go to school. So being out of the woods where we're from, we kind of felt a little homesick, so we're trying to have a little bit of the mountains.
Mountains here, yeah. So this is like our wolf painting. I always felt like the wolf was my spirit animal. It's a very like ferocious beast, but it's also very loyal to its pack. So, you know, that's me. Yeah. So speaking of wolf, when we moved to this apartment, I was very upset because we couldn't have any animals. So James got me this pet wolf. Look at it, it's like a life size almost. And its name is Wolfie, and it kind of acts as like my dog from back home. And sometimes I think it's her and it startles me. But yeah.
Startles a lot of people.
I would just be rounding the corner, I'd see it on the ground, I'm like, ah! We got my little corner nook up in here. I'm gonna be real, we don't really use like anything in here at all.
Hence why we store the studio stuff here.
Yeah. There's nowhere to put it. When you have a small apartment, it's like, where do you, you know? So I'm kind of like hiding it behind this wall. Little backstory with this couch. When we were shopping for furniture for our apartment, I found this bad boy on eBay, and it was $600, and I thought that was a really good deal. So when it came in...
Because we thought it was a pull-out couch.
Yeah, we thought it was a pull-out couch. Well, it came in, and apparently, I guess I was doing too much browsing, and I got that it confused with another piece. This one's not a pull-out couch. And in fact, when we saw the receipt in the box, it was from Walmart. So I was like, wait, that's weird. I bought it from an independent seller on eBay. So I go to Walmart.com, I look it up, and it was actually $300 on Walmart.com. So when in doubt, just shop Walmart. because we just wasted $300. We love candles. I love lanterns. It's just like an old-fashioned looking vintage. We got some fake flowers from Dollar Tree.
Whoop, whoop.
Okay, we got our fake tree branch. It's called white birch. We got this from
Christmas tree shop.
Christmas tree shop, that's right. So we bought this really cheap entertainment stand. I don't even remember where I got it, but basically I thought it was super cute until, I mean, look at it. I mean, it's all just caving in from the middle here. So
It's like California on the San Andreas Fault. One day it's just gonna break.
it's gonna break. So, you know, we're just thinking about scratching all of this right here. Just get rid of it. So this is our little bar stool area. So this is our little kitchen here. So not really much to show here, actually. It's just your standard kitchen. Yeah. That's it. I don't know what to say about the kitchen. So this is actually an awesome lantern that we got from my parents for Christmas, I believe. And they got it so that we could put candles in it and so the soot doesn't get all over our white walls. But I actually used it as like a little light, little night light here. Put some Christmas lights in it. I don't know, I saw it on Pinterest, so. When we moved into this apartment, for some reason, this particular apartment didn't come with a fridge or a washer or dryer. So we had to buy them separately. We had to buy them on our own. It came with everything else, the dishwasher, microwave, you know, cooking range and everything, but I mean, so we had to buy that, and then we bought our washer and dryer. Oh, you don't want to look in here. No, don't even. This is where our laundry is. And then we got our pantry.
This is where the magic happens.
So, this is the one thing that just irks me about this place is there's not enough room, or maybe we just buy too much food. I went to go buy like a mirror at Walmart, and it was like $5. And I thought it would look super cute until I brought it home, and I went to go peel the sticker off of it, and they like put it right on, like of all the places, they put it right on the mirror.
It was a real sticker too.
A real sticker, like you couldn't even get it off. I was like scraping at it. I used everything, rubbing alcohol.
It left a very thick residue.
And then when my mom, yeah, you can still see it. When my mom came to visit, she's like, "You need to clean your mirror." And I was like, "Ma, I would if I could." Then we got James. He's got his little replica of the Starry Night. So this is our guest bathroom. We have kind of like an earth tone, brown, woodsy kind of vibe here, I guess you can say. Very natural looking. So this was an adorable Christmas gift. These embroidered name towels. And then over here, we got a little bit of, this is actually, oh God. What do you call it? Potpourri?
Potpourri?
Oh, potpourri?
Potpourri. It's French.
Again with the This is just like a cute little votive holder. See, it's very naturey in here. Love it. It's like kind of like a calm spa vibe, you know what I'm saying? This is where I take my baths when I need to just de-stress from life. And then over here we got my little picture. This is just when we went out west on our 2-week road trip.
Sometimes when you're in the middle of the desert and there's no porta potties around, you just gotta do your business.
You just gotta do what you gotta do, right? Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys our little collage of our 2-week road trip we went on out west last summer. It was amazing. We went out to the desert. We saw Colorado, Utah, New Mexico. What did we see?
We literally tore up the Southwest. We flew into Denver, got a rental car, put 6,000 miles on that bad boy. We did a national park tour. We went to almost every single national park in that area.
Went to 13, I think. 13 national parks.
I mean, Grand Canyon, Death Valley. You name it, we did it. We have our own little study here. I'm a huge nerd. I like nerdy stuff, so this is my cave for nerdism. Being in college and stuff, I need a little space for me to do my work, you know, kind of like decompress and stuff. So this is our study, this is our library. I have all my books here, got all my little tchotchkes, all my fun stuff. Got the computer I do my research and writing on. We have our degrees that got us nowhere. Yeah, this is my spot. This is my little nook. All my books, you know. Knowledge is power, folks. So spend all your money on books that you cannot resell for anything.
And now for my favorite room in this entire apartment.
That's right.
The bedroom. Come on in. Come on in. Make yourself at home.
Oh,
Make
yeah.
yourself at home. We got a sleep number bed, right, where you can control the two sides. Even though we don't, I think we have it on like the same thing. I don't know. We got, again, the very nature-esque look in here. I don't know. I just love it. The neutrals, the browns, the tans. You got it. We just bought this TV like last week, and it's been just amazing of an experience. It's our very first smart TV.
We're a little late to the party with most stuff, so.
And you know I like my lighting, okay? You know I gotta have it. So I gotta run the TV here. And this is honestly where I get ready. This is like, I don't have my own little beauty station. This is it. It's just in a drawer by a mirror. Okay? We got these little Greek pillars from my bro. Thanks, Chris, if you're watching. Kind of took it from you, but it's in safekeepings here. Where I hang like some of my necklaces. Look at this. I got this from Salvation Army. How cute is that? This feather was from out west too. Kept it. You never know what it's from. Okay.
It's a bald eagle.
Again, I think I have the same curtains in every room. This is a painting that's way too heavy. Show them the painting. This is way too heavy to use on our... The thing about this apartment is the walls are so weak. Like, this isn't even that heavy. It's really not. I can lift it with one hand. But it's too heavy for our wall. We have many failed attempts to prove it. See? Scandinavian look. I love that, like, fake fur. The fox fur look.
Fall.
Got my little, what do you call this thing?
Chair?
Not just any chair. It's like a, I don't know. So anyways, this is my favorite room because A, got the bed, and B, you got my walk-in closet. I finally got a walk-in closet.
Another part of the deal was she gets to put all of her clothes in the walk-in, and I use the closet in the study.
You know, girls, you know what it's like. You need that space for you. And not only that, but half of my clothes are still under the bed, like put away, like all my summer clothes. This is only, I don't know, but I still have nothing to wear. I'm not really gonna go in depth, but you know, this still is, I need like triple this size over here just to be comfortable.
We're going for a 3-bedroom next apartment, so that
I'm
way.
thinking 4 or 5. All right, last but not least, I think, right? This is our second bathroom, the master bath. I'm just making out to be way better than it is. Nothing crazy to see here. It's like identical to our other bathroom. But I wanted to go for like a kind of a seafoam green color. I don't know. Still got that very natural color vibe. Fake plant.
We had to have that burst of green against the white.
Yeah, I need some color up in this apartment. Got this from Walmart, and my mom gave me these little seashell. What do you call these?
Clips.
Sure, clips. And we even got the matching bath towel colors.
Walmart?
That's how Walmart. Except, do not, honestly, guys, don't. If I were you, the Better Homes towels, they're not that good until you wash them like 100 times. But they're the kind of like material where it's like you dry yourself and you're just leaves you more wet than anything. So that's it. So yeah, guys, that's really it. That is our apartment. Nothing crazy. It's just, you know, it's our first apartment.
Small, it's cozy, it's built on love.
This isn't even the nicest. If I was like rich, it would look a lot better.
Beggars can't be choosers.
Huh, it's all right. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little video.
Yeah,
and
thanks you guys.
yeah, hope you enjoyed. Hope this gives you some like inspiration if you're, you know, just starting out in an apartment or anything.
Starting off in an apartment can be daunting, you know? I mean, especially with your first place, you're not really sure about the kind of style you want to go with. Just go with what best represents yourself. Go with what best feels good about yourself, and go with what's cheap because it's your first place. Don't invest too much in it, you know?
I plan on bringing like nothing with me when we move.
Seriously, just, you know, go for what's cheap if it's your first place. Don't sit here and go all out, because when you move out, you have to lug it all around, and chances are it's gonna get dinged up and nasty anyway. So
that's true.
Just, you know, enjoy the fact it's your first place. That's my advice.
That's really nice advice.
Thanks.
That's really great.
All right, you guys, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much, and we'll see you soon.
Bye-bye, y'all.